Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring both devices are ready and networked. Power on the My TV and open its settings to confirm casting or wireless display is enabled. This allows discovery. On your phone or PC, connect to the same Wi-Fi band as the TV so discovery is reliable. Once done, open the casting option on your device. On Android, use Cast in Quick Settings. On Windows, search Connect. On a phone, choose the My TV name. This initiates the pairing handshake. Now you move into the middle steps to establish a stable stream. After selecting the My TV from your device's cast list, watch the TV screen for a permission prompt and accept it. This authorizes the connection and prevents accidental intrusion. Make sure you pick the right casting mode: screen mirror for everything, app mode for compatible apps, or audio only for music. If you need audio sync or resolution changes, adjust them from your source device settings while monitoring playback for smooth results. To complete the process, stop casting from the source device or use the TV's input selector to end the session. This frees network and processing resources. If the TV never appears, make sure both devices are still on the same network, restart the TV and source, and reboot the router to clear stale locks. If lag, stutter, or dropouts persist, switch to a wired HDMI connection or try lowering the mirroring resolution. These steps solve most stubborn problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.